Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're checking out the new update in car parking multiplayer 2 and building the BMW M4 F82 Competition in San Marino Blue. I'll be showing you the full setup, including the exact customization, colors, and settings so you can recreate this build perfectly in-game. Let's get into it. First, let's get started with the visual details of the car. Start with the body. Moving on to the color and paint. And now for the rim details. Here is my brake setup. And now here is my maintenance settings. I prefer to keep the tires low so the car spins more easily. My engine tunings are mostly stock, but you can change it if you'd like to do so. And that's the BMW M4 F82 Competition in San Marino Blue from the new update in Car Parking Multiplayer 2. If you enjoyed the video and found the build helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more CPM2 updates and builds. Let me know in the comments which car from the new update you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.